friends, Mila Marie, your tech princess here. Today I'm super excited to be bringing you a new keyb. This is the Womier and Red Dragon collaboration. This is the DUO87, and this I specifically got because it has a built-in stream deck, and I'm hoping it was everything the Aula L99 could have been but wasn't. I can't wait to show you what she can do, so let's get into it. If you're like me and you've been wanting a keyboard and a stream deck in one, your prayers have finally been answered. Let's start with the unboxing because this comes in a surprisingly large and substantial box. Inside you get two USB-C cables. One is for the keyboard and one is for the touchscreen if you want to use it as a standalone controller. You also get an excellent keycap and switch puller, 4 extra palm switches. The touchscreen comes with its own magnetic desktop stand and Womier's adorable little figurine that you can swap in and out whenever you don't want to use the screen. Now, at first glance, the DUO87 looks like a pretty standard TKL mechanical keyboard, until you notice the top right corner. Instead of permanently dedicating this space to navigation keys or to a screen, Womier made it completely modular. You can snap in the figurine for a fun desk setup, or you can drop in the touchscreen and instantly turn your keyboard into a productivity powerhouse. Think of it as having a mini stream deck built right into your keyboard, and you can make as many pages as you want. You can launch apps, control your music, trigger hotkeys, open folders. You can build layouts specifically for the programs that you use every day. The touchscreen can even be removed from the keyboard and placed on its own stand so you can keep your regular keyboard layout while still having shortcuts and a fully functional stream deck. The software is honestly extremely easy to use. Everything is drag and drop and it updates almost instantly, and you can create completely custom pages with your own icons. One feature I thought was especially clever is you can build out a numpad if you choose to use it that way. That puts it right on par with everything the Aula L99 does and much more. Overall, I think Womier absolutely nailed this concept. Instead of trying to reinvent the mechanical keyboard, they simply added a genuinely useful productivity feature that feels like it belongs there. If you're a creator, editor, streamer, or someone who lives at their computer all day, this is one of those features you probably won't even appreciate until you start using it. As for the keyboard itself, you're getting cherry profile double shot PPT keycapped, south-facing RGB, Womier's own palm linear switches. It is gasket mounted, hot swappable, and VIA compatible. It's Windows and Mac compatible, and yes, it's wired only. My theory is that with the built-in touch display and productivity module constantly drawing power, Womier decided a wired connection was the best way to guarantee enough power for everything to run reliably without worrying about battery life, and I can really appreciate that. You guys, it's going to pain me very deeply to say this to you, but it looks to me like the Womier DUO87 is everything the Aula L99 should have been. Aula came out way before Womier with this type of a screen. Unfortunately, Aula does not have the same functionality. The Womier DUO87 screen acts as a stream deck and then also can be used to upload GIFs of a very nice quality. In addition, it gives you this little dude that you can put on there, or you can have 9 additional navigation keys if you would like. So besides the fact that the Womier is wired only, I think it really does everything we hoped the Aula L99 was going to do. Now, I will say I do not see a way to put a numpad on the screen, but I haven't even looked, so that might be an option as well.